What's up guys? Today we're going to be going over this thermal x-ray kind of effect. It looks very cool and I'm about to give you guys all the sauce. We are uploading every single day for the month of July, so make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any sauce. Before we start, I need to put you onto my brand new editing pack. It's called Light Source Overlays. It has 40 insane overlays like film burns, light leaks, and flash transitions. That's meant to give you those clean, cinematic, grungy transitions. What I love about them is that you can use them in literally any context. It can be for something cinematic or for your music video transitions. Even me, I always use them in my tutorials, as you'll see. So if you guys want to invest in your editing workflow and get Light Source Overlays, I have an exclusive offer for you guys. It'll be down below, so make sure to check it out. With that said, let's get straight into the video. All right, so basically I have this clip right here, and then it transitions into this clip, and then we're gonna transition out of the effect. This is where we're gonna apply the effect. So the first effect we're gonna apply is the invert effect. Let's add that. When that's done, the second effect we're gonna apply is we're gonna apply some noise. Let's increase this by something like 30% is good. You can keep the color noise if you want, but I'm gonna keep mine monochromatic. And then afterwards, we're gonna apply Sapphire Halftone. This is a really fire effect. However, it does require the Sapphire Suite. I didn't forget about you guys that don't have any plugins. What you can do if you don't have this, of course, it's not the same result because it's a very good plugin, but you guys can actually go on the internet and look up halftone texture, and then we can make it something like this, and then apply the Repetile effect, and then make those 6,000, all of those 6,000. There we go. Then we can put the tiling to repeat. Let's blend the borders. And now we're gonna invert this layer as well. And then we get this kind of halftone texture with and then you can play with the blending modes so that you find what you like. You see, now we have this halftone effect. All right, so now with that said, we can increase the dot frequency by a bit, and then we're gonna apply an echo effect. Let's increase the number of echoes to something like 7, and let's put the echo operator to maximum because this is too bright for now. And we can put the decay at something like 0.8. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna duplicate that layer, Command D, and the layer below, we're gonna remove all of those effects. And then we're gonna put the blending mode of that layer to difference. So now we're gonna get that color trail behind, which looks very cool. What we can also do to add some color into it is apply to the layer below the hue saturation effect. Let's make it something like red. We can increase the saturation to get a bit more colors, something like this. Let's see. So now we get this really cool ghost echo trail behind him on top of the effect. That looks very cool. What we can add on is some flicker. I'm gonna drag Sapphire Flicker in there, increase the amplitude, increase the wave frequency, and we're also gonna increase this one as well. Now let's look at what we have. I might decrease a bit this one with the wave frequency and decrease the amplitude as well, just a little. So now before any transitions, you should have this. But it is lacking a kind of transition, so I am going to use my brand new Light Source Overlays pack to transition out of these, and then we're going to put the blending mode to color dodge. I really love putting them at color dodge. It just makes it look very cool and grungy. And we're also going to copy this and put it to the end as well. And now just like this, here's our final result. So that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe and let me know in the comments what type of tutorials you would like me to cover next. Once again, if you guys want to cop Light Source Overlays, I have an exclusive offer for you guys in the description, so make sure to check it out. With that said, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.